Today we solve the problem of the day on Gigs for Gigs. The question is reminder on dividing by 11. This is the problem and it is reference to Amazon. So let's do it. So the question is we have given a big positive number as an string. So and we find the x modulo 11. Okay. After divide after moduling by 11 we got the remainder, but the big problem is that if a string is this much big, the idea of changing a string into integer is gonna wrong. So we have to do another method, and the method is not by modulo. We have to check it's we have to know the another method to find the remainder of this big much number. So first what we do to find the remainder of number, we have to first check we have to first get the odd places sum and even places sum. Let's suppose 0th place is even places, to second index number is even places, fourth index number is even places. Okay, these all are even places, and similarly, and again index 1 is odd places, 3 is odd places, 5 is odd places, and so on. So we have to find odd places sum and even places sum. Odd places sum and even places sum. Then after we have to get the difference of odd places sum and even places sum. As we know, if the difference is divisible by 11, then the number is divisible by 11. Okay. If it is not divisible by 11, then what? Here is two conditions. First of all, if the number is negative, if the difference is negative, here are the two conditions. Condition number 1, if the number is negative, and first we have to check it is divisible by 11 or not. So what we do? We did modulo of 11, and if now the difference is 0, if the difference is 0, after moduling we got 0 and other number. If it is 0, then we realize that the number is the given number is divisible by 11. But if difference is not 0 and it is positive as well as negative, both condition is possible. If so, we check if difference is negative, if difference is negative, then what we do? Here is the condition. And other condition is if difference is positive, then what we do? Both conditions are so let's check. If the difference, let's suppose, is minus 63, its difference is suppose minus 63, sorry, difference should not be minus, would not be minus 63 because we modulo 11. Let's we did as RAM as difference by. Now if difference is negative, if difference is negative, let's suppose it's minus 63, sorry, minus 63, and if it is minus 63, after modulo 11 we get RAM as minus 8. Okay, and first we take a smaller number like minus 3. If difference is minus 3, then what we do? We add 11 in it. Okay, and then the number is, then the outcome is our remainder. Let's check with example. Let's take an example which is, let's suppose given number is 63 and its even sum is 6, and odd sum is 3, and the difference of odd sum minus even sum is minus 3, and actual division of 63 by 11, we got the remainder is 8. You can calculate by yourself. You got the remainder 8, and here we got minus 3. After adding 11 in it, we got 8. Okay, if let's suppose the number is 60, let's suppose another example, if the number is 36, okay, and after dividing by 11 we got 3 as remainder, and on here we have even sum is 3 and odd sum is 6, and after and we got the difference is 3, and here we see that the difference is 3 and we remainder exactly same. Let's take another example. Let's suppose we have a very big number and its difference is minus 63. Okay, its difference is minus 63. Here we got the difference is minus 3 only, but here we got the difference is minus 63. Then what we do? Let's suppose first of all we check the difference is minus 66. If it is minus 66, what we do first? We first do modulo 11, and if it is completely, if it gives the remainder is 0, then we say that the number is completely divisible by 11. But if it is minus 63, then again we do that. First of all we did modulo 11, and after modulo 11 what we get? After modulo 11 what we get? We get 63. After modulo 11 we get what? we get minus 8. Here we see by calculating them, minus 60 modulo 11 is minus 8. Okay, so we get minus 8, and according to my rule, what we do, add 11 into them. So minus 8 plus 11, we got 3 as a remainder. Okay, so the whole, so the process is, first we have to find the difference, then we have to find the uh, modulo 11, difference modulo 11, and if it is negative, then add 11, and if it is not a negative, let's suppose it is positive, and modulo 11 is what? It is 8. Okay, so the remainder is 8. So the remainder is 8. We did nothing after when the difference is positive. But if difference is negative, what we do? We add 11 on its modulo, its remainder. I mean difference modulo 11. Okay. So first we have to check. First we have to do. So you got whole things. Okay. Now we have to code for these all, and the code is here. First, 0. You understand all things well? Code yourself first, then see the answer. Int I is the what? X dot length of a string, and then what we do? If I percent 2 equals to 0, it means the position is even. Then what we do? Even even sum, uh, by this we got the exact number. Um, here it is a sky value of that number. Let's suppose 2. 2 is we got a sky value of 2 and a sky character of a sky value of 0, and we subtract them, and then we change into integer, and we got the number as it is as 2. So by this method we got 2, and else if index is odd, then odd sum, and the process is okay, and then we find the difference, and after getting the difference we find the RAM by modulo 11, and if RAM is less than 0, then return 11 plus 11 plus RAM, and else what we return RAM. Else we did nothing. If it is 0 or greater than 0, we only we got reminder as well. But if the RAM is negative, then we add 11 to them, and we get the remainder. Okay, the process is done. First of all, we comment this. Okay, and then everything is done. For your convenience, we cut this and we write it here, and white space 2, and then give perfect indentation. Okay, run it all, and what we get, let's read it. Okay, it's compiling, executing, evaluating, and we got the correct output after submitting it. Now submit the request, and what we get, yeah, it is completely done. Thank you very much. Bye bye.